Guys, so before I show you how to upgrade your laptop RAM, pakita ko muna ko ng specs nitong laptop ko na to at kung bakit gustong-gusto ko siya i-upgrade. So as you can see, under CPU, it shows AMD Ryzen 5 3500U with Radeon VEGA graphics. So it has 4 cores and 8 threads. So counterpart nito sa Intel is Intel i5. Now, as you can see, stock RAM nito is 4 GB lang and VRAM is 512 MB. So sobrang baba ng VRAM, right? So since this AMD comes with an APU or integrated graphics card, yung VRAM, kinukuha niya yung memory niya dito sa system memory natin, which is, ayun nga yung RAM, 4 GB. Meaning, 500 MB comes from the 4 GB RAM. So, sobrang baba na ng system memory nito. That's the reason why gusto ko din siya i-upgrade. And also, when it comes to multitasking, I'm afraid na hindi na tayo makapagbukas ng maraming tabs ng Google Chrome. What else? Like Microsoft Teams, since ang lakas niya kumain ng RAM. So, yun yung nag-trigger sa akin na i-upgrade to kasi nga, hindi na talaga advisable sa ngayon ang stock na 4 GB RAM, at least 8 GB. I'm not sure bakit nga naglalabas pa sila ng 4 GB na RAM. Ito, sa Task Manager, it shows then, ayan, sa upper right, shows 4 GB. And the frequency also, you have to look for the frequency of your RAM or your speed basically. Kasi dapat bilhin is same frequency or same speed ng RAM. So it shows here it's 2400. Di siya gaano kita, I'm so sorry guys, but from what I see it's 2400. And under that, you will see na yung RAM slot, it's 1 out of 2. So before din kayo mag-upgrade ng laptop or bumili ng RAM, if mag-DIY kayo, make sure na expandable or may extra RAM slot. Kasi itong laptop na to, ang model na to, it comes with a soldered RAM, meaning hindi mo siya pwede tanggalin. Pero what's good about this is there's an expansion slot or merong additional slot for additional RAM. So sa ngayon, Skype pa lang gamit ko, yung Radeon software and some sticky notes. As you can see, around 70% na ng memory na gagamit. So, sobrang hassle kapag nagbukas ka pa ng ibang application. Talagang maghahangang na yung laptop mo dahil nga kulang sa RAM. Okay, so tara, buksan na natin itong laptop. By the way, gumamit ako ng screwdriver na of course fit dun sa screws ng laptop natin. Also, lagayan ng screws para hindi siya mawala or hindi tumalsik kung saan yung tinatanggal natin screws. And one last thing is yung card na hindi ko na ginagamit. I'll show you how will I use that card. So, speed up ko na lang itong video para di kayo maumay. Okay, since pause ng ating laptop, explain ko muna mga nakikita natin. Una, itong hard drive, which is again 1 TB. Ito yung SSD, which is an NVMe type. Ito yung soldered RAM na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na naka-solder dun sa ating motherboard, di pwede tanggalin. Ito naman yung battery ng laptop at yung CMOS battery. I'll explain to you kung anong gagawin natin dito sa CMOS battery. So, dito natin ilalagay yung RAM na nabili natin from Shopee. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung anong brand. It's Crucial. So, magandang brand din naman siya by Micron. And it's an 8 GB DDR for 2400 MHz RAM. Kasi nga, 2400 MHz din yung stock RAM natin, which is yung soldered. So, lagay ko na din sa description ng video yung link kung saan pwede mabili ito. So, ikakabit na natin siya. So, nakikita nyo itong notch na to. Wait. So yung notch na yan, itatapat nyo lang din dun sa notch, dun sa mismong expansion slot. Wait lang, ayaw mag-focus. So yan. So idikit nyo siya, and then gently push it down. You will hear a clicking sound. So yan. And then yung CMOS battery para ma-reset yung cache or yung BIOS settings. So tanggalin lang natin siya in a few seconds, and then ibabalik din natin siya. Okay, yan. Tutunog din siya. So once tumunog na siya, okay na siya. So check na natin yung upgrade natin. Alright, so tinurn on ko na yung laptop natin, and binuksan ko na rin yung Radeon software para makita yung specs. So ayun, 12 gigabytes ng lumalabas dito, and yung VRAM natin automatically na kumuha na ng 2 gigabytes of system memory. I'm not sure how. Di naman ako gumalaw ng BIOS, so I guess it's automatic. Lalo na ni-reset natin yung CMOS. So with these changes, malaking apekto to sa pag let's say gaming, nagdo-Dota 2 ako or nagva-Valorant. So it will give me better frames na since I already have 2 gigabytes of VRAM. So most likely usable natin is 10 gigabyte na lang, given that the VRAM used 2 gigabytes. So ayan, startup apps with Radeon software, as you can see, it's 27%. So sobrang laking changes compared to kanina, which 70% yung kinakain niya pagka bukas mo pa lang ng laptop. So with the task manager, also it shows 12 gigabytes. And then as you can see, ang available natin is 7.1, given na may startup apps tayo, yung OS at saka yung Radeon software. So sobrang laki pa niyan. Speed, it also shows 24 megahertz, and it's now showing 2 out of 2 RAM slot na nagamit. So I bet we're successful when it comes to upgrading our RAM, and laking tuwa ko kasi syempre mas marami na ako magagawa, mas ma-maximize ko na yung speed ng ating CPU, which is again the Ryzen 5 3500U, and mas no hassle na kapag tatrabaho ako or maglalaro ako. Leave a comment below if ever may mali akong ginawa. I'm not an expert. Natuto lang din ako sa pagbabasa sa internet, mga libro at panonood ng YouTube. So feel free to comment down below kung meron akong na-miss na step. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if natuwa kayo or may natutunan kayo sa video na to, and leave a comment kung may question kayo, and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully supportahan nyo ako sa mga susunod pa nating video. Salamat and bye bye!